What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden Lawn Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're finally giving you guys an update. After our applications, we're about 3 weeks out from our N-Ext Products Simple Lawn Solutions applications on our project lawn. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have modified our setup yet once again. We have added some more lights. We have boomed the microphone overhead so it is not so far out on the camera out there. It is right above me, right above the shot. It is hanging down right above me. Better setup, better, crispier audio. It's looking really good. We got our lighting set up. I'm actually sitting down. I've got a table in front of me as well as a chair. It's going to be similar to my setup as soon as I get my desk that we're going to be doing inside. Changing up the colors, maybe adding a little light in here. Anyways, we're giving you guys an update on our project lawn today over at my neighbor's house. As you guys can remember, just a few weeks ago we made our applications. Simple Lawn Solutions. We did their 1648, I believe. I'll put the analysis up on the screen. I do not remember what their analysis was. We applied that to the front yard, and on the backyard we did RGS Green Punch, 1801 Green Punch. We did the Green Punch 21 ounces per thousand, which was a third a pound in, and RGS at 3 ounces per thousand. If you have not heard about this project lawn we are doing, I will leave a link in the top right hand corner as well as linked in the description down below to our playlist for the project lawn. But I'd like to explain what it is a little bit since for those of you guys who may not know what the project lawn is. So the project lawn is my neighbor's lawn right next door. I did an aeration and seeding for her. She was actually a customer of mine who did the aeration and seeding. And I actually said to her, hey, do you want me to I'll take on your lawn for free for content on YouTube. And she loved the idea. So that's what I'm doing for her. Right next door, we picked up the project lawn. So with that talking, I know you guys are probably waiting and waiting and waiting for an update. And drum roll, please. All right, let's check it out. Looks good. I mean, there's really nothing else to say about it. We do still have some minor weeds. The seed, oh, that Let's Go Tall Fescue we put down this year, it's coming up really nicely. It's looking super good. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. I mean, green, gotta get those leaves off of it at some point soon. I might just rake them since there's not that many. I might do a final cut on it. I have not decided yet. Yes, it's a little unlevel. Yes, it's not perfect. It still has some clover, and there's nothing we can really do about that. That's the lawn, that's the way it is. You know, it's got clover, okay? Everybody's lawn's got clover. I have a little bit of clover in the backyard. I'm not concerned about it. It's clover, whatever. Anyway, it looks really good. We'll be taking care of the clover in the spring. We filled in that entire area with seed. That is super awesome. The homeowner is super happy about that because that was nothing before. That was just blank dirt. So it is huge improvement from that state. You know, that's it. If you want to see any pictures, I may post some pictures on my Instagram. I'll leave a tag for my Instagram up on the screen. You guys can check it out. I'm sorry for these little shorter videos. You know, I try to run them between 8 minutes, but you know, it's the content's lagging down. As I get this setup fine-tuned, we're going to be doing more videos in here. I haven't really decided how I want to do this setup, whether or not this is how I want to leave it. There's definitely going to be some modifications coming in the future that we're going to be going ahead and doing. But, you know, I've got little updates before the season closes out, and then I've got a few product reviews to do. We're going to be talking about biochar on the channel. We're going to be doing a video on that. Calibrating a sprayer, you know, a few different other things we're going to be doing just to get ready for next season. So that's what winter content is. I also have fall cleanups coming. I'm going to be doing some power washing, and there was something else, I forget. Yeah. I wanted to ask you guys a question. Would you guys be interested in maybe seeing some film and photography content over the winter? maybe doing a few videos like how I set up lighting for this shot and how I rig audio for this shot, how I'm filming this shot, maybe behind the scenes type stuff. And then like how I film a normal video, like what I edit with, some little tips like that. Would that be something you guys are interested in? Let me know in the comments down below. I think that would be something fun to do for the winter, you know, like, because we all have to have this tech stuff to do videos like this. And this is a good 3 hours setup right here. It took me a while to get the colors the way they are. And this is after post-production, what you guys will see. But, you know, it's a lot of work. I set it up all this morning, get ready for this shot now to film for 6 minutes. You know, it's like, why do you do that? But I have a passion, so it's worth it. So, you know, back to the project lawn. We did those last applications. Those are probably the ones we're going to use to close out the season. We may do another application of the Simple products. I do have the Ryan Knorr lawn care box now. Big thanks to Simple Lawn Solutions for sending that out. We will be using that on the project lawn. There's Root Hume and a few other products, I'll put them up on the screen, that are in that box. If you have any questions about the box, you can hit up Ryan. He's got a video on it. I can leave that in the card here as well as in the description. Check it out. That's really it, guys. We're going to be using his box. Maybe we'll do another application of Green Punch to the backyard. And, you know, that's really it. If you guys have any questions about the applications on the project lawn or any questions about my lawn, let me know in the comments down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from A's Lawn Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.